When you look at an all-glass building, what do you see? Do you see beauty, design, art? For Tremco, it's about what you don't see: the planning, the pressures, and the numbers. Before the glass is even hung, our best in-class design engineering team is performing structural glazing drawing reviews and completing industry-standard testing. Failure is not an option for our glazing support team. We design custom gaskets to meet building performance requirements in the most complex situations. This allows the curtain wall designer and the architect design flexibility. Here's where your project comes to life. To help you understand complex field conditions before the job begins, our team can create scaled models on our in-house 3D printer, eliminating the guesswork for your installers. Our R&D lab and sustainable building solutions test facility allow us to rigorously test glazing components for system performance. Once construction begins, our dedicated glazing specialists and support team work side by side with the fabricators, contractors, and installers. Tremco provides unmatched job site support and face-front problem solving. We also invite our customers to bring their new designs and challenges, so we can help validate performance early in the planning phase, prior to costly third-party testing or field challenges. Tremco truly is a one-stop shop. We provide gaskets, silicone sealants, engineered window-to-wall transitions, custom overlays, and tapes for new construction and restoration, including unmatched warranties that will give the building owner peace of mind. What does Tremco see when looking at an all-glass building? We see the future of building performance. What do you see?